What if I tell you you can do this, this, and this without using any 3D software? Yes, you can. Hello, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Akujobi, and I'm so excited to share this game changer with you today. Let's be real. In today's visual world, the first impression are everything. Your packaging is the first thing your customer sees, so it needs to grab their attention and tell your brand story. Think of it this way. Your product is that amazing gift, and the packaging is the beautiful wrapper that makes it irresistible. This is where I introduce drumroll, Pacdora. Pacdora is an online platform that is changing how you think about packaging design. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a total newbie, Pacdora empowers you to create packaging that truly wows. You might as well call it your packaging design superhero. So what makes Pacdora special? 5 things I have listed out here that makes Pacdora special. I talked about its simplicity at its finest. I talked about enormous amount of templates. That's its templates galore. I talked about its die-line usage, and I talked about its AI-powered music, and of course, its 3D mockups that's wild. Let's take them one after the other. Simplicity at its finest. Pacdora has an incredibly user-friendly interface that makes designing packaging a breeze. Forget about the wrestling with complicated software. Pacdora makes the entire process intuitive and enjoyable. No stress. Now, talking about its templates, you can say goodbye to staring at blank canvas, not having the inspiration. But with Pacdora templates, it offers a massive library of over 3,000 customizable templates to jumpstart your creativity. We are talking boxes, bottles, envelopes, iPhone packages, name what the package is. Pacdora got you covered. Talking about the die line, by die line, I mean, some people refer to it as die line, die cut. By die line, I mean, you know how you buy a product and that product is put in a package, and the package is constructed in such a way that it takes the shape of the product. Yes, die lining helps in this process because it marks out the dimension of the material in which this package is being put into. And what this means is with Pacdora, it lets you customize every aspect of your die line, from dimension and material to paper thickness, depending on what you want to achieve, I mean to say. And this means you have complete control over the structure and functionality of your packaging design. Now, let's not leave out the AI powered background magic. I use the word magic because it looks like magic to me. Why I say this is, you know how AI has been the rave in recent times and how people have this notion that AI will take your job. I do not agree. I fall in the school of thought that thinks that you can use AI to improve productivity, work efficiency. You can use AI to take your design from 0 to 100. This also finds expression in Pacdora. With AI-powered background in Pacdora, this is where things get really cool. Pacdora's AI background generator analyzes your product's image and recommends the stunning backgrounds that perfectly complement your design. It's like having a personal design assistant. How cool can that be? You are not overthinking. All you need to do is input your product's image and the best background is generated for it. Right. Now, let's talk about the 3D mockups. Want to see your packaging come to life? Then Pacdora 3D modeling software lets you create realistic 3D mockups that showcases your design from every angle. So, like real time, you can rotate your design and it shows your design from every angle. The funny thing is you can export it as a video, you can export it as an image, you can export it as a HTML you can embed into your portfolio site. How mind-blowing can this be? Let's look at 3 different advantages. Talk about hiring professional designer. These can be super expensive and time-consuming. Yes, plus you might not have complete creative control. That is where Pacdora come in. Even for a non-techie person, a non-designer, with Pacdora's basic tool, you can get great functionalities, great features, and have complete control over your design until you achieve what you want. Now, the second one where Pacdora shines is using basic design softwares. With Pacdora, which I call a very basic tool, you can produce such complex designs within a short period of time. You see what I'm talking about? Then let's talk about where Pacdora wins hands down. It is cost effective, it is time saving, it is high quality, and it is convenient. With cost effective, you get professional quality designs without breaking the bank. With time saving, the intuitive interface and pre-made template streamlines the design process. High quality, the AI background generator and 3D modeling software ensures your designs look polished and professional. And then for convenient, Pacdora is entirely online, so you can design anytime and anywhere. Now let's go on to talk about the key steps to packaging perfection. Now, what I mean by packaging perfection, permit me to use the word perfection because I am mind blown and blown away by all that is packed within Pacdora. And the steps you need, depending on what you need to do, the general steps you need are: 1, you choose your template; 2, you customize your die line; 3, you upload your design; 4, you generate a 3D mockup; and 5, you export and you print. So choosing your templates, what you need to do is you browse the Pacdora vast library and select the perfect template for your product. 2, by customizing your die line, you adjust the dimension, material, and paper thickness to meet your specific needs. 3, we talk about uploading your design. You add your logo, you add your artwork, and other design elements to personalize your packaging. Generating a 3D mockup, all you need to do is you watch in amazement as Pacdora creates a stunning 3D visualization of your design. And lastly, you either export your design for digital use or for print. How easy can that get? I know at this point you can sense the excitement behind my voice while I talk about Pacdora because it has taken my design from 0 to 100. But within this video, I'll also show you how I have been able to use Pacdora in my design to create a mock-up 3D iPhone UI screen, right? And at the end of this video, if you're patient enough, I have a gift for you, a very, very juicy gift. So if you are with me, let's dive right in as I walk you through my process of using Pacdora to create an iPhone UI interface mockup. Okay, so we are here in Pacdora. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go through the home page and then look for the mockup, editable 3D mockup. I'll scroll down to the iPhone mockup. I've clicked and it's opening up the mockup, the 3D mockup interface. As you can see, that's an iPhone mockup. And what I want to do right now is to go to the die line and then impute or import the design I want to use. So I have this design I have created back in the day that's on my Dribble. So it's like a UI interface, screen interface. So I'll go to my Dribble page and I will import that design. There it is. I will import the design and I will use one of the screens as the screen I'll be using in the die line space. So here I increase the design to a point where it aligns with the die line that had been designed already, had been created. So my work is just to ensure that it's, lining up with the die line. As you can see in the top right corner, it's showing in the interface, showing in the, what's it called? The preview. You see how simple and very straightforward it is. And now we've clicked OK, and we are in that interface. So right now, we are changing the colors of the iPhone. We've changed from pink to yellow to blue and back to red. That just shows the flexibility around what you can get on Pacdora. Then we will be going to change the background. Now I want to change the background to something that has a bit of a pink, just to resonate with the teal, complement the teal color. And now we've opened the 3D, the real life 3D interface. Now, what we want to do, we want to make use of the different 3D mockups that are available. This way, you can showcase your products in different forms. And having done that, I want to try another, mockup display. In this case, now I have just three of them being displayed on a pack of woods. Now you can choose in what format you want to export them, PNG and as 4K. And then you can change if you want them as widescreen or not. Then you click on your exports and you have your image where you want them. And then let's look at the 3D modeling. Oh, okay, let's look at the free AI background generator. How that works is when you click on the free AI background generator, you upload the product image. So the product we want to upload will be the one we've exported from the previous video, from the previous 3D mockup. So what we want to do right now, I want to generate a background for our mockup. As you can see, an automatic background is generated. So you have the option to keep generating until you find what you are looking for within. So I'll just try a couple of other, background to see what would suffice the most. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There we go. There we go. I'm finding it very difficult to pick one out of all these, but I sure would take one. And moving forward, we have the customizable templates die line. This is where you have your numerous die line and all of that. So this is just a walkthrough through how I created the iPhone mockup in Pacdora. Yes, I know at this point you must be excited about the possibilities of the things you can do with Pacdora. I mean, it's mind blowing. And because you have waited this long, I have a special gift for you, courtesy of Pacdora. If you find this review helpful, you think this review has pointed you to that online tool that can take your design from 0 to 100. You'll think the Pacdora online platform is the game changer you've been looking for. Please head over to Pacdora, log on to Pacdora and subscribe to one of their plans. For whatever plan you subscribe to, you are going to get a 20% discount off your purchase if you use this code. The code is EMMA20. EMMA20, EMA20. You use this code, you get 20% off your Pacdora purchase. That's right. And you can create stunning packages and save money at the same time. So don't wait any longer to elevate your packaging game. If you find this review useful, please hit the subscribe button, like, and turn on the notification bell, and then head over to Pacdora to start designing today. Thanks for watching, and I would like to hear your feedback in the comment section and how you have used Pacdora. If you have any questions, please drop them at the comment section. I'll try everything within my power to respond to the best of my ability. Thank you once again. I can't wait to see what amazing packaging you would design or you would create using Pacdora. See you next time. Ciao.